Good afternoon, I'm Joe Aquaviva. I'm the head of the land system for CNIM Systèmes Industriels. And CNIM Systèmes Industriels is a key provider for defense equipment for more than 100 years now, on both the Navy field and the land field. Focusing on the land systems, we're really dedicated to serve and protect the combat engineering forces. And this is perfectly illustrated, I believe, by the three products we're proud to showcase at the 2024 Eurosatory exhibition today. I'm going to start first with our flagship product for wet gap crossing. That's a PFM, French word for Motorized Floating Bridge. This wet gap crossing solution, unique in the world, has been around for more than 40 years now. First generation was first developed in the 80s. In another era, in a Cold War era. We've provided more than 5,000 meters of this floating bridge to various nations of the free world, NATO and non-NATO. But as time went by, we've improved and increased the capacity of the system, and we're now up to the third generation of the floating bridge. This third generation of this motorized floating bridge is capable of embarking and making crossing heavier and more modern vehicles, such as the Abrams V3, which is the heaviest version of the American tanks. And it also comes in two versions to adapt any customer need. So it can come on a trailer or on an 8x8 truck. For example, the trailer version, long version of the floating bridge, has been recently purchased by the Polish forces, and we're proud to advertise the fact that we've been awarded a frame contract in 2022 by the Polish forces, and as of now we are manufacturing 900 meters of cumulated length of this new generation PFM floating bridge. More than that, of course, various nations, and especially NATO nations, are reacquiring the fleet of floating bridges, including France. So we have teamed up with our friends and partners CEFA, making ourselves the French champion of wet gap crossing. And we also teamed up with another French company called Sofram. And the three of us are bidding to be awarded the French program called CIFRAL with this wet gap crossing solution. This time this will be on an 8x8 short version. So our second product here is the ROCUS. It's a route clearance unmanned ground vehicle. How does it work? Well, the mission here is to assess a potential threat in the form of an IED that is buried into the sand or just in the ground. The UGV itself is built on a very mobile platform. It's a tracked hybrid platform manufactured by Milram. It's the Themis platform, and We've developed and integrated a specific and patented payload on top of it, basically built on hydraulic arm and a specifically designed multi-purpose tool that can scratch, that can lift, that can dig a hole under the IED. The arm itself is 4-meter range and can lift up to 100 kilograms. The platform can be remotely operated with a range of 2 kilometers. And we've developed very ergonomic remote control that is lightweight, that is balanced, and that can control both the payload and the Themis itself. So the ROCUS, in a nutshell, is fully integrated, war-proven, efficient solution for route clearance to assess potential threat and an IED. But it's more than that, because it only takes a couple of hours to dismantle it and reconfigure it for other purposes, typically for mule or to plug a different payload that we are developing for both detecting an IED or even neutralizing it. As a matter of fact, we've already integrated, those are the two guns you can see here. We've already integrated two disruptor here for neutralization of mines and IED. So the third product we are showcasing today for the combat engineer is the OROC. The OROC is a battlefield preparation solution that we are currently developing with our two French partners, Texelis for the mobile platform and KNDS for the integration into the Scorpion battle management system. and for the fire function too. So the OROC aims at being the perfect compromise between the mobility, between the defense and protection, and between the earth moving under combat in order to prepare the earth and the terrain for combat. It can go up to 80 kilometers per hour to follow the Scorpion battle group. It is armored against blast and ballistic impact, and armed with a 12.7 machine gun. We are currently in process of finding the best compromise between those three capacities, but we believe we found something that is very efficient.